Welcome guys. So 52 is what we want to answer. Okay, so you have this equation, set of equations, and which of statements are true. The first one is there is this B, which the system has no solution. This is definitely false, since 0, 0, 0 is definitely a solution, because all of them are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, yeah. So there is this value B, which is exactly one solution. So we can compute the determinant of this equation. If the determinant is non-zero, that means you have only one solution. If the determinant is 0, then you may or may not have infinite you must have infinite solutions, since you already have 0. So basically, this is how we first compute this. So we use Gaussian elimination. We get 0, 1, 2. This is 0 to b minus 1 is b minus 3. B minus 4. 5. This is b minus 1 minus 4. So if b is non-zero, then only one solution. If b is 0, then infinite solutions. Okay, so the secondary is this b for exactly one solution, correct? And the layer is this value which the system has more than one solution, correct? So the answer is the second and the third. The answer is D. The answer is D. Okay, that's it. Simple.